What's going on, everybody? Super Bass back, bringing you another one. Yeah, another. Let me see if I can move the little house over here. Another exclusive, but make sure y'all just stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed to your boy, because I got some things coming that I can't disclose. Okay. As far as that goes, I have been working a lot more on myself, as far as getting myself out there, networking, and doing a lot of other stuff, so I can continue to bring you guys some content for the future. So just bear with me, man. Things kind of slowed up. Who the fuck was that? Things kind of slowed up for right now, but we're gonna start getting back in motion again real soon. Yeah. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm just driving around the city, just gonna get a couple of shots, a couple of footage of that for y'all, so y'all can take a peek. This nigga in the move that. This nigga on the phone. God, I fucking hate people, bro. Oh my God, I'm in the middle of the road right now. Come on, please. Now you're paying attention, just walking like I'm not in the middle of the road, but yeah. So I'm just gonna show y'all some footage, just me driving around. So, oh, phone call. Who the fuck is this calling me? 282-360. All right, y'all. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Is going on with y'all, bro? It may not be whoever's watching this specifically, but it's somebody I need to address, and me just saying y'all just makes me feel better mentally to myself, like I'm actually talking to the actual person. But it's just like, these niggas, man, like if I give you room to go out and go, at least you can say thank you, motherfucker. What the hell wrong with you? I ain't have to stop. All this damn traffic fucked up enough, man. You know what I'm saying? And then niggas don't even want to say thank you, thinking that you supposed to do that. A lot of y'all weird. Now I say y'all, don't mean as you specifically. I just say y'all just to make me feel better, you know. But a lot of y'all are just weird, bro. That's just what's going on now. A lot of weird shit. A whole bunch of weird shit that I don't even want to deal with. This is a 2021 Chevy Tahoe Z71. I mean, it got the off-road package, off-road trim, whatever. Like, suspensions, raised up a little bit higher than a couple of other trims like the LT or the RST model. It has front bumpers actually like shaved off, not shaved off, it's like cut, it's like raised up, and it has a metal skid plate. So it's more so oriented for, all right, I hear you, car stopping. It's more so oriented for cars or for trucks, or it's more so oriented for off-roading. This right here, this particular model, this particular trim. So y'all just stay tuned, man. There's gonna be some driving footage. Damn, he fucked up. Some driving footage now. All right, y'all.